Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X10 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the option which is called Styles and Wallpapers. Let's tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen, and under it we've got the option to change the wallpaper. But before, I'd like to show you this section, the wallpaper colors, which is quite cool in my personal opinion, because after changing the wallpaper, you will be able to check those wallpaper colors. Your device will simply take the colors from the wallpaper and apply them to this, as you can see, three color section. And you will be able to apply it to the menu. So for example, it will change the color of the icons and so on. So I really think it's quite cool. We will try to change it, and we will try to pick some cool options. Of course, you can set basic colors. You don't have to use three different colors. All right, let's focus on the wallpaper. Let's tap on change wallpaper, and here we've been transferred to the albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Be aware that if you will not have any internet connection, then you will not be able to pick from those albums. So they will appear only if you will have, for example, the Wi-Fi connected or the mobile data. You will have only the on-device wallpapers and your photos, which is your own gallery. So let me pick something from on-device wallpapers, for example. And as you can see here, we've got quite nice options to choose from. So if you'd like to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it. So let me pick this one, and as you can see, this is how it will look like after applying. Of course, right now we can change the position of the photo, so we can pick, for example, the right side of it, or just this green hole, I don't know, the hole with green liquid or something like that. So just position it like you want to. You can check how it will look like on the home screen and the lock screen. What's more, here you've got the info icon. You can learn some more information about the wallpaper. You can, after tapping on these arrows, you can enlarge it, so really see how it will look like after applying. Of course, you can hide it, hide the icons, you can show the icons. So if you are happy with your choice, you have to either tap on this tick icon, which was right here, or just tap on set wallpaper. And now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a lock screen or home and lock screen, and I will pick this option. So let me apply it on both. And as you can see, we've been automatically transferred to our home screen. So basically, this is how to change the wallpaper in this device. But let me get back to those options, as I really want to change or check the colors. As you can see, they are totally different than they were before. In the when we had the previous wallpaper applied, we had like some kind of bluish, purplish colors, and here we've got the green, the turquoise, I would say something like beige or something. So that's really cool. After tapping on it, you can check how it will look like here. So as you can see, you can have a green clock, or this beige clock, or this blue clock. I think I will go with those colors. So just tap on it and it will be applied. So alright, basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Nokia X10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.